to Cornell Cooperative Extension's Choose Local Fish Seafood Cooking Demonstration video series. By choosing locally harvested seafood, you can be sure your food is fresh, indigenous, sustainable, and healthy. Through these quick and easy how-to videos, we hope to spark interest and increase demand for locally harvested fish and shellfish as opposed to imported species. Choosing local seafood is more important than ever, as more of us are learning to cook from home and adding more seafood into our diets for better health. Choosing local seafood ensures that your food meets the highest standards for safety, freshness, and sustainability. Your purchase supports the local economy and fishing communities across Long Island. In the following videos, Cornell Cooperative Extension has partnered with culinary nutritionist Stephanie Sachs to demonstrate to you how to cook so many delicious recipes using a variety of local seafood options. Get ready to explore new healthy and simple ways of cooking well-known local fish, and also get adventurous with new flavors and textures of some lesser known but just as delicious local fish. Let us show you how to turn fish straight from Long Island's waters into tasty, healthy meals you can share with your friends and family. Let's get cooking!